Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and have two accounts on Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access a Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. Once you open it up, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So we're gonna go tap on this horizontal line on top right corner of the screen. And now we have our accounts information and the level, and we can see the settings option given below, right? If we tap on it, we're going to find this option called connect account. We're going to tap on it. Now you can see we have connected our account with Facebook, and we have other option of sign in with Google as well. So basically we only have one Google account. We can create multiple for us to have a multiple account, but I will suggest you, if you have one Facebook account and you have connected this particular account with that Facebook, then you will be done. The other would be simply for you to simply add a new account right there in your Facebook. Right there in your Facebook app, once you have added a new account for yourself, you're gonna go back to your Monopoly Go and add that account's information and continue with that account, and simply continue with that account here in this app, right? And once you have continued with other account of yourself, you will be able to create yourself another account. So in the summarized way, if you would like to create two accounts, you will have to make sure that you have another Facebook account available which you would like your account to be connected with. Once you have two Facebook accounts, you will have two individual Monopoly Go account likewise. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.